Some early reports about the Z Fold 7 have been confirmed by Samsung's first official peek. The Z Fold 7, which looks a lot like the Oppo Find N5, is anticipated to be Samsung's thinnest foldable device ever. Because the hinge is now closer to the body, the Fold may now take the place of the standard phone instead of only enhancing it. Although press releases have hinted at the Ultra branding on many occasions, this marketing statement reaffirms that the phone will continue to be known as the Z Fold 7 without the Ultra. The primary camera of the Fold 7 will be 200 megapixels, much as the S25 Ultra and S25 Edge. Samsung is concentrating on camera quality with industry-first technology, even if the other cameras are not ultra-sized. The Z Fold 7's new Pro Visual Engine, which will enhance digital zoom pictures, video stability, and image quality, is one of its most notable features. Additionally, the cameras will be intelligent enough to react to what users are looking at. The S25 Ultra's Gemini AI, which can interact and react to what's on the screen, is comparable to this. There may be no need for a separate app to ask inquiries or get information if the assistant is included within the camera app itself. If you're seeking for specifics or are attempting to snap a picture, the camera will recognize it. According to Samsung, the Galaxy camera will be incorporated into an intuitive system that transforms visual information into meaningful comprehension and action. At the next Unpacked presentation, Samsung is also anticipated to discuss Gemini Live, which teases the new Camera Smart AI function that will be available on the S25 Ultra later via a software update. The S25 Ultra may debut in a striking new hue, one that is deep, dark, and high-end. In conclusion, the Z Fold 7 from Samsung is anticipated to be a stylish and cutting-edge gadget that emphasizes AI-powered features and high-quality cameras. A new addition to the foldable market, the S25 Ultra will come in a striking new color. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.